got selected in Amazon for the position of quality specialist. So they gave me a welcome kit. So without any further delays, let's see what's in it. Oh, okay. So they have told me that I should not turn on the machine till day one. And they are telling that we will be having login issues. Okay, let's see. Oh, I get a laptop from HP. This seems pretty cool. Oh my god. I got an elite book. Guys, this one costs around 1,50,000. And as I have told, I should not turn in on this till day one, so I'm not turning it on, so I can't show you. Let's keep this aside.
Let's see what or else we get.
And yeah, we have got a keyboard. Oh, this is a separate pouch mode. Oh, I got some pretty good headphones
Nice.
with speakers, mic, so that for taking calls it becomes easier. Wow, I got a bag from Wildcraft,
Nice.
and the color they chose is also pretty awesome. And now we have a charger and a mouse. And see this.
What is this?
This seems normal, right? Now,
Oh,
this is a pen drive.
great.
Okay, so now here ends
So
Let's see.
you selected as a
quality specialist.
oh. So what you're gonna do in that?
Actually, I have a pretty vague idea. So they told me at the time of my induction, they'll tell me what my work will be.
Okay, great.
Thank you.
So they told me to don't turn on day one, but we are daring to turn on. Now only let's see what happens.
I can't wait. I'm very curious to know what will
As it is looking so cute, so we are getting excited to turn it on.
Oh, let's turn it on. Oh man, it has a backlight also. That is of a white color.
It's not looking.
Yeah, our Windows is getting started. Okay.
Please enter username and password.
Yes. So yeah, here our problem comes. I don't have a username or password, so I'm sorry guys, I can't show what is beyond this. Bye bye.